For today's holiday dinner, we're at Cachet, one of my favorite antique stores on La Cienega. Cachet has always been one of my favorite antique stores in Los Angeles. And Jim is my favorite antique dealer, and he has the most beautiful, collectible, unusual things that you can find in Los Angeles or almost anywhere in the world. One thing I wanted to ask Jim about is this baccarat beautiful crystal clock. I love this. This is one of my favorite pieces I've ever seen.
Yeah, Donna, it's one of mine too. It's a 1948 baccarat starburst clock, obviously post-war, and they only made 20 of them, but they've just recently reissued new ones, but this is from the original 20.
Wow. The whole setting here is incredible, and I'm crazy for this clock. So let me see some other beautiful things you have in here.
Okay.
So this is one of my favorite chairs at Cachet, reproduction, and it's based on a reproduction of a Regency style, and it's done in bamboo finish. And the other thing that's so cool that people love is this lumbar element to this chair. Oh my God, I love this chandelier. This is a beautiful Murano original chandelier, and I love it, and I've never seen another one like it. This would be beautiful with our table arrangement. And so let's plan on having dinner now and see how it all works together. During this holiday season, this is the time that we appreciate each other more than ever. This is when we gather around with small dinner parties, family, and close friends. And we layer up our table to make it beautiful and make it special and memorable. Because this is not about cocktail parties and big parties, but small, intimate dinner parties for family, especially. So let me show you how to do it. And I'm going to give you some tips on how to layer your table and make it special and memorable. For all you young lovers out there and millennials, I want to show you how to set the table. My grandmother taught me when I was a little girl. I'm teaching my granddaughter, and I want to show you how to make it special for your family. So first, start with your placemat, then your beautiful dinner plate, knife, teaspoon, and here's the trick. The large fork goes next to the plate, and the small fork goes on the outside. People get that very mixed up all the time. Then, if you're going to serve soup, your soup bowl goes on top, and don't forget your bread plate. So here's your bread plate. And then I always, even when I'm having dinner by myself, I always use a cloth napkin and a beautiful napkin ring. Napkin rings make things so special and so festive. So I want to make sure you order one of those and put it all together like that. Since everybody seems to be ordering online, especially during this period of time, I have made special on my Home Decor by Donna this beautiful silverware. It comes in 5 different colors. The other thing that's so special are these hand-blown beautiful glasses that I have made in Czechoslovakia. So they're all crystal, and they also are being sold on Home Decor by Donna. The other thing I like to do is I always put a name tag, because then people are not confused where they want to sit. So if they want to sit next to their favorite person at the table, I sometimes mix them up. It makes conversation interesting, and that's how I begin to layer up my table for a beautiful dinner party. So I'm going to show you how to be hostess with the mostest. You don't have to have the most expensive things, but candlelight is very important to create an ambiance at your table because it's so beautiful. And so I always put a lot of little votive candles around my table, and also I like tall candles. The other thing that's a trick to this beautiful table is that we have no flowers. You can create a beautiful table arrangement just with red apples, which is what we did here. So just red apples and beautiful flowers that are not even real, they're just velvet. So put all of this together, and this is all for a small dinner party of 6, no more than 6. And what I love about it is this table arrangement turned out to be so much more beautiful than I even imagined myself. So you too can order things online and make it beautiful for your family for the holidays.